All right, y'all, so today I bring y'all somewhere special, hidden gem, Norjo'S, right here off of Metairie Road, y'all. So if you come to New Orleans to visit, you could take an Uber ride from New Orleans and be at this little gym spot right here, y'all, in probably 5 minutes or so. And I guarantee you're going to enjoy it. And if I didn't come to you today, you wouldn't even know about this spot. And it's truly a hidden gem. So check it out. The first thing I'm going to show y'all is the cannoli king cake. Check it out. I mean, you talk about delicious, y'all. It's literally like one big giant cannoli. But let's check it out. All right, y'all. So let's give this cannoli king cake a check out. Let's see. You see, I mean, it's stuffed. Oh yeah. Sweet, but really fluffy. Not too sweet. Delicious. You can make a little bit of a mess. Of course I am, but man, it's absolutely delicious. Y'all, it literally tastes exactly what it says. Like a king cake cannoli. It's worth every dollar. I guarantee it. I got the half a muffalata. Got the hot one. I didn't go with the cold one today. Let's see. That's going to tell it. You know, that's the truth right there. I'm telling y'all. This place right here is truly a hidden gem, okay? Watch this. Oh, man. Y'all. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. Everybody always talks about Central Groceries and muffaladas. That's because they never had these. I guarantee you this is better. And I know that's controversy. I know a lot of people, but you got to try it. I'm telling you. Y'all, I'm going to show you what the inside of a good muffalata looks like, okay? Olive salad is key. Check it out. Y'all, you're talking salty. I mean, it's just got a wonderful flavor, okay? You come to New Orleans, you come to this spot, I guarantee you're going to thank me later, okay? So look, y'all, they're located in Metairie at 505 Frisco Street, right off of Metairie Road, 5 minutes outside of New Orleans. I guarantee you, you're going to love the spot. Come by and check them out. All right, y'all, so we done ate that good food. Let's go take a ride out to the French Quarter and see what it looks like on Mardi Gras Day. Y'all, check it out. That's all the cops right there. I guess they ain't got nothing happening because ain't nobody really in the French Quarter with Bourbon Street and all that blocked off. You don't normally see it look like that though. All right, y'all, so this right here, this is North Rampart. We're about to go up in the French Quarter, okay? So let's see what it is. All right, let's see how shut down it really is. So we're gonna see what it looks like in here, y'all, considering Mardi Gras is canceled this year. We ain't had no parades, nothing going on. Look, show them to the right there. You got a little something happening right there. But due to the fact that Mardi Gras is canceled, guys, ain't much happening. But I still wanted to take a ride out here just to see exactly what was going down in the French Quarter. All right, y'all, check it out. So this is Bourbon Street right here, y'all. Mardi Gras Day. Check out, I get some news people. Bourbon Street. People being allowed on Bourbon Street. I'm gonna show y'all up here. Like on Royal Street, they got something happening. Got some people on Royal Street. I don't know what's quite going on here. They got brown bags. I don't know if they just went to the grocery store. What's happening? Looks like everybody went down to the store together. No shortage of cops out here. Normally you don't never see a cop. But they got a little more activity out here than I thought they would, considering. You know, honestly, they got more people than I thought. Something happening so far right here, but I mean, when you think Mardi Gras, man, you normally can't even walk down the street. You know what I mean? So, aspect of Mardi Gras, this is completely dead. But they do have some people out here, so we'll see. We'll see what, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what else they got happening. Got some people on the balcony. Y'all see, normally, y'all know the streets are normally packed. People are up on like that balcony right there, all the balconies. And they get the beads, y'all. And oh, come on, woman. And what they do is they get the beads and stuff like that and throw it down to the people, of course, on the ground. Women got to do a little something extra to get some beautiful pearls, but you know what I mean? Look over here. We got something happening over here. Got a couple people. I mean, just a little bit, y'all, but really, honestly, nothing too much. This is Jackson Square. Check that out. And that's the St. Louis Cathedral. All right. I mean, it's not completely dead, but it really is on the aspect. Oh, Lord, what's God happening here? Look at this, y'all. I don't want to be hitting the only paraders we have out here. All right, now, look at you. Do your thing, do your thing. Boom, boom. She's an octopus. That's pretty awesome. Ain't no place like New Orleans, man. I'm telling y'all, man. I swear, I wish things were up and running so I could really show y'all down here, man. Oh, what's going down right here? Hold on, we got activity. Oh, he's throwing some pearls. All right, hold up. I gotta see what's going down. All right. All right, so it looks like since they shut Bourbon Street down, they're gonna use Royal Street, which is right around the corner from Bourbon Street. Oh, look on top of the balcony up there. That's what I was telling y'all. Check it out. Look. Yeah, give me that. On this side. Look. All right. See that there? Excuse me, brother. I'm gonna need you to step aside out the middle of the street here. All right. Down here in New Orleans, y'all, during Mardi Gras time, especially. Happy Mardi Gras, babe. It's very popular. Hold that thought. The Presidential Hall, y'all. If y'all ever come to New Orleans, that's the Presidential Hall. You talk about some serious things that went down in there. From the old jazz players, like way back in the 1800s. Check it out. Look it up, and definitely go there if you come to New Orleans. Anyway, a lot of times in New Orleans, y'all, a lot of the churches, okay, come out here with their signs that say you're going to hell. They carry them big old things that says if you don't do this, you're going to hell and all that. But anyway, here no there. That's very, very common to see out here in New Orleans during Mardi Gras time. Really all year long, but definitely during Mardi Gras time. So you'll see that if you're in New Orleans. Y'all check that out, man. They decorate that nice little balcony up there. Beautiful little scenery and all that there, what have you. He's got a big old top hat on. Never mind, he's got a guitar on his back. All right, they ready to go party. All right, y'all, so that's what it looks like out here now. All right, y'all, so y'all basically see there ain't too much happening in New Orleans today. It's just the way it is. Hopefully next year, Mardi Gras will be back on, stronger than ever. But I'm about to go home and enjoy the rest of that there muffalata and that king cake, man. I'm gonna go enjoy that there. If y'all like the video, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all.